Morning, guys. I am. It's been a while since I made a video, but I felt I saw something that would really be interesting to a lot of you guys, and I thought to share. So, so today we're going to look at something very interesting. I'm sure a lot of people must be having this problem. Might be having this problem, and I'm looking for a solution. So I'm just going to briefly introduce you to how to know whether to basically stay in a coin or to buy into some pointers, some pointers that will help you know if you should sell your bag or if you should stay in a coin or if you should join a project. If you see people FOMOing into FOMO is like it's a crypto term for rushing into a coin just to not miss out on potential gains. So if you see people FOMOing into a project, how to know if it's a good one or not. So basically, this is just going to be like an intro to chart analysis, basically, because the chart analysis is basically what we use for both forex, for crypto, for most of these what's it called? Most what's it called? For most things that involve basically charts like forex for crypto, right? So that it's what we use. So I'm just going to give you an idea of. So I quickly decided to make this video because of there's this Shiba pump. Shiba has been pumping for a long, long time. For a couple of for some time now, and I personally wasn't involved in Shiba, but then I was like, how do I know whether to jump in or when to leave, right? So I just got to the chart. So I've studied a bit of chart analysis and how to analyze the chart and patterns and all those things. So I looked at the chart and I was looking for something to tell me get in or get out. So if you look closely at this chart, I'm at the 4-hour chart now. Let me remove the other indicators that make this thing look a little bit weird. We'll remove the volume indicator. So I'm at the 4-hour chart now. Let me zoom into this a little bit. So basically, if you look closely at this chart, you would observe that it's basically been printing new highs, right? It's been printing new highs. So I was at if you count what's it called, the fifth candle from the right, you notice is a red candle, a long red candle, right, with a long what's it called, right, with a long wick, just a tiny body. The body is towards the top, and if you count like 7 candles, you also see a small candle that looks like a hammer, a red candle that looks like a hammer. So here I was, looking at the chart, and I was like, okay, so Shiba has been pumping, pumping, pumping. So how do you decide? Do I go in or do I just, let it not chase me out? So I just looked at this. I noticed it's a chart pattern called a hammer, right? I'm just going to go online so you can join me and you can check out what does a hammer mean. Hammer, hammer. Let me see. Hammer chart pattern, right? So a hammer candlestick, basically. Sorry, not a chart pattern. Sorry, a candlestick. Um, Is a price pattern is a price pattern in candlestick charting that occurs when a security trades significantly lower than its opening, but rallies within the period to close near the opening price. This pattern forms a hammer-shaped candlestick in which the lower shadow is at least twice the size of the real body. So, um, this hammer is a basically it's saying that the hammer occurs when sellers enter the market during a price decline, but by the time of market close, the buyers absorb the selling pressure and push the market price near the opening price. So it's a bullish pattern, basically. So it says the hammer candlesticks indicate a potential price reversal to the upside. So based on that, I basically just jumped into Shiba, right? So here I was basically just saying, do I go in? Do I not go in? I see a hammer. Basically, it's saying that the sellers took the price low, but the buyers came in and pushed it up. So you have a hammer there, and it's indicating that there's buying pressure. That's just what you need to know. There's buying pressure. So the buyers are still plenty in the market. So based on this, I just went in. And here we are, 4 candles later. So I feel this will help a lot of people and take better decisions in their trading. And yeah, so just analyze more charts, check places where you see these patterns form. Use the logic behind it. Basically, just if you see this, just know that it means that the sellers were in the market, they pushed the price down, but buyers aggressively came and pushed it back up. So that means there are a lot of buyers. So if there are a lot of buyers, it means that the price has a high probability of going up. It's all about probability now. So I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any comments or anything. Yeah.